Research methods in wargaming, peer reviewing. Okay, this week we are going to go ahead and endeavor to complete something called peer reviewing. Peer reviewing is very important in advanced writing. Literally, nothing in academia is considered of much weight unless it has been peer reviewed. Um, and the key is receiving and providing feedback. So keep that in mind because you're going to be peer reviewing each other's papers. Um, uh, the process offers many advantages. It prevents tunnel vision and myopia. A lot of times, uh, you can fall in love with an idea. You can even fall in love with a sentence. You can fall in love with a certain wording. And a lot of times, it's personal, meaning, you know, it might not be grammatically correct and it might not make sense to anybody else. Um, and a lot of times, it can be very frustrating and heartbreaking to have someone tell you, look, you need to rewrite this sentence or this paragraph. Lord knows it's happened to me a few times. Um, it offers a sounding board for ideas, theories, and logic. Sometimes you might get some feedback from somebody that offers you a different way to look at things, and is perhaps even a little more objective. And that's always a positive when you're writing. A lot of times, if you're going to submit to an academic publication or even a professional publication, essentially you're gonna send it to somebody, and they're going to ask for 3 or 4 or 5 copies without any sign that you wrote it, because it's called blind peer review, and they will sit there and they will go ahead and hash it out. And a lot of times these are people who with PhDs, advanced degrees, master's degrees, and a lot of times they can offer very positive feedback. And more than anything else, it makes us better writers when we hear the type of feedback. Again, that's why the feedback part is important. It's and I'll mention this again at the very end. Uh, you have to be constructive. Don't just rip somebody for something being not sound or not logical or not making much sense or being too political. You have to explain to them why. As someone who has taught undergraduate capstones and senior and graduate capstones, this can be kind of touchy because people can be defensive. You have to be somewhat delicate, but also you have to be truthful and constructive. Um, More than anything else, if all fails, you're going to learn perhaps new words, new ways to say things, expanding your vocabulary. It all works towards your benefit. This week, go ahead and share your literature review, research question, and thesis on the discussion board by 11 p.m. or 11:59 p.m. Tuesday night. That's tomorrow night. Review your classmates' work and fill out the peer review participation form in the assignment box for this week and submit it. And have that to me by this weekend. So we're looking at, again, uh, Saturday night, 11:59 p.m. And last but not least, please keep your feedback and comments constructive and professional. Again, try to help one another out.